Hi all, this is a tutorial on how to access the information that you give to students so they can enroll in your course. Once you've logged into your Cengage account, you are going to scroll down and get the Manage Courses. From there, you're either going to, depending if you created a course or a master course, you would go to the appropriate tab. I think most of you guys are creating courses. So the image, or not the image, excuse me, the link that you find here, that is going to be the course link URL that you will send your students to register in the class. You can also click this little printer, and this will give you a document that you can save as a PDF and email to your students or put on Blackboard. And then right here, this little key, if you click that, it will give your course key if you'd like to include that information in your syllabus as well. So that is where you will find the registration link, then the course key and course key or course link instructions. So I hope that's helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.